Confidence. Confidence isn't about knowing everything. It's about believing that you can manage anything. This is where we are going to start our lesson today, because in order to become an excellent English speaker, you must become a confident speaker. So here are 5 secrets to help you sound more confident and assertive in a business setting. Secret number 1, master your tone of voice. When speaking in business, your tone should be confident, enthusiastic, and vibrant. For example, you can vary your pitch, so avoid speaking on a monotone voice. Instead, let your pitch rise up naturally and fall naturally to make you sound more engaging and assertive. You can also slow down, because speaking too quickly can make you sound a little bit nervous. Slow down your speech to allow your words to be understood and give yourself a little bit of time to think. Control the volume as well. Speak loudly enough to be heard clearly, but not so loud that you seem arrogant. You can practice finding a balanced volume. Secret number 2, use positive body language. Your body language can either reinforce or weaken your words. Here is what to focus on. You need to stand or sit up straight, because good posture conveys confidence and authority. You need to maintain eye contact, and this is very important to show that you're engaged and trustworthy. It helps to build trust with your listener. Use hand gestures to emphasize key points. This makes your speech more dynamic, and it also helps you hold the audience's attention. Now, secret number 3. Choose your words carefully. What do we mean by this? The words you use can greatly impact how confident you sound. So by taking this into account, you need to avoid fillers, and many of my students will use fillers like like, and these can make you seem unsure. You should practice pausing instead of using these fillers, because silence is better than these words. You can use strong words, decisive language. For example, I am certain of this decision, instead of saying I think this decision might be right. Be direct. Avoid beating around the bush, so talking about many different things instead of just focusing to the point and sounding impressive. Secret number 4, practice active listening. So communication is not just about speaking. Confident communicators are also very good at listening. So when someone is speaking, give them your full attention. This shows respect and will also help you respond more effectively and be on point. Nod to show you're listening and clarify questions if needed. This demonstrates you're engaged, you're thoughtful, you're interested in what the other person has to say. And then take a moment to think before you respond. Nobody expects you to automatically respond to everything within seconds. You need to have well-considered answers. Secret number 5, prepare and practice. So you might understand the theory, but preparation is key to sounding confident. Whether it's a presentation you're preparing for, or a meeting, or an interview, knowing your material inside and out will boost your confidence. Practice speaking out loud. You don't have to memorize everything, but you can try to record yourself, listen back, and identify areas for improvement. And if possible, get feedback. Get feedback from teachers, from colleagues, get feedback on your speaking style, and work on their suggestions. So there you have it, the 5 secrets to sounding more confident. Let's review them. Mastering your tone of voice, using positive body language, choosing your words carefully, active listening, preparing and practicing your speech. And remember this, success is not the key to confidence, but confidence is the key to success. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips about mastering business English. Also, you could let us know in the comments of any other topics you would like us to cover, other business English topics that would be helpful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay confident and keep improving your business English skills.